Today we are making chocolate orange crisp cookies from Blackberry Pie Murder by Joanne Fluke. In this cozy mystery, bakery owner Hannah accidentally hits a man with her truck on a dark road in a summer rainstorm. The autopsy soon reveals that the man would have died even if Hannah hadn't hit him. On a mission to clear her name, she must work to uncover the identity of the mystery man and find the person responsible for his death. This book is chock full of delicious recipes, so make sure to put a hold on it and check it out in our catalog.